Hey everybody, Drew here. Thought we'd take a look at the Nasdaq 100. I'm looking at the watermark on my chart, NDX for the Nasdaq 100. It's a 1 month chart. And this bar over here on the far right is the month of April. And if you look up here at the top, you can see right there, we're up 6.9% from last month since March. But what I find really interesting is we are within 3%. If you can read that right there, we are within 3% of setting an all-time record for the NASDAQ 100. So even with everything going on in the Middle East, this is a very positive thing. So let's take a few seconds here to look at some of the top performing components using the Excel Trader look back screener. Okay, you're looking at the NASDAQ 100 look back screener. And what we want to do with this tool is identify the top performing stocks for the year of 2026. That's given us this within striking distance of setting a record. So what we do is we put in the current month, 4/1/26. We scroll all the way out here to the right, and then we sort the last 4 months. So that'd be January, February, March, April. We sort that by going in and doing a descending sort. And it gives it to us in sorted order. And then I highlighted and selected the top 5 stocks. And here they are: Western Digital Corporation, Seagate Technology, Intel Corporation, Marvell Technology, and Monolithic Power Systems. So let's go back to the chart and take a look at their performance. Okay, so we're now back at the chart, taking a look at Western Digital, WDC. So here's the last 4 months. I mean, this thing has just taken off. 1, 2. So this is April, March, February, January. Big move up since the first of the year. So that's the top performing component in the NASDAQ 100 since January 1st. Okay, let's go to the next symbol. Let's see, that is STX for Seagate Technology. And let's select that and take a look. Again, last 4 months, boy, January moved up big, been kind of flat, February, March, and then another big move. This is all tied in with artificial intelligence data centers and the like. This is about the storage side of the artificial intelligence business. Okay, let's go to the next one. INTC, so Intel Corporation, is doing quite well. That's because of all the computing power that's needed for artificial intelligence and also with the demand for laptops lately. So here we go, back 4 months. Here's January, February, March. Delicate move up, but this last month it just shot right up. So this is one to keep an eye on. It's really done well. It had gone through a little bit of a lull here, but now it's really making a nice move up. They've had some leadership changes recently, and definitely worth keeping your eye on that. All right, let's go to the next one. Marvell Technology, MRVL. And here we go. Last 4 months. Okay, so here's January, down month. No surprise there, given what's going on. February made a move up. March recovered all of that drop down here, that drawdown. And then, oh my goodness, look at April. Just off to the moon, Alice. That is terrific right there. So that's another one worth keeping an eye on. Look, that pullback through this period of time, and then all of a sudden, wow, what a move. And then Empower, MPWR, Monolithic Power. Oh, nice looking chart. So here's January, nice bar up. February, March, just steady, a little down in March, and then boom, off it goes again. So those are your top 5 performing stocks in the NASDAQ 100. We're within 3% of setting a record again. And these five stocks, I should say, are all worthy of your consideration. So that'd be Western Digital, Seagate Technology, Intel Corporation, Marvel, and Monolithic Power. I hope you enjoyed this quick analysis of the NASDAQ 100. Just remember, you can buy the Excel Trader Look Back Screener for the NASDAQ 100 on the Excel Trader website. Gives you a great deal of power at looking at data in a trailing 12-month capability. Thank you very much.